Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to rehearsal packaging Pandabuy. Pandabuy Rehearsal Packaging Service is an additional warehousing service and it charges 20 CNY per time. The warehouse page's weight and volume data are estimated by the system. It helps you pre-pack the items you want to send according to your packing requirements. This service offers you accurate parcel volume or dimensions and accurate weight. We will finish the pre-packing for you within 24 hours. Rehearsal is not a real parcel. The warehouse team cannot provide the picture or package video. The warehouse team will put the items back to storage after rehearsal, so the packages will not be discarded. Rehearsal cannot change the unavailable shipping options limited by the mail restriction. Let's see the pictorial example of the whole process we discussed. So as we talked, the first thing we do is check warehouse page and tick items that you want to pre-pack. After choosing the warehouse option, click the Rehearsal Packing button. You can choose whether to remove tags or remove packaging. They have vacuum bag, shoe tree, stretch film, moisture bag, corner protection, parcel reinforcement as charged packing services. You can choose your preferred shipping method. This is an optional choice. You can also choose your shipping method later. Use the remark bar if you have some more details to add, such as keep the box but remove plastic packaging. Split parcels reasonably. I need GD EUB available. Submit all the items with Europe DHL line. Please remove all the extra package, except to split into 2 parcels if it is large, etc. Then, submit a rehearsal packaging order. It charges 20 CNY per rehearsal. You can see the packing details in the next picture. And after choosing the details, enter your preferred link and click to confirm. Now choose the rehearsal option and click the rehearsal package. Check confirm and submit, and you will be redirected to the parcel submission page. Submit a parcel and pay the shipping fee. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.